The Gate Closer Direct closes doors and gates comfortably, safely and reliably. The closing speed is easily and continuously adjustable and can be exactly adapted to the user's needs. It's also possible to temporarily hold the door in place. The Direct is available in different colors as well as in stainless steel. Different models are available depending on door size, weight and installation position. The optional adjustment lock prevents the closing speed from being changed without using tools. The installation accessories offer many different fixing options, which makes the Gate Closer Direct perfect for retrofitting.